FCCLA's Sustainability Crafts. Crafts you can do at home to help save the environment.
Packaging makes up a huge amount of our kitchen waste in the US. A good way to combat this issue locally is through reusing, reducing, and recycling. A way to recycle and help the environment further is by turning cans into bee houses. It's a simple craft that can impact the environment positively in a small way. To do so, you need a can, some newspaper, and some non-toxic glue. First, you take your newspaper and cut it in quarters. Then you take the quarters and cut strips that are about the length of your can. Then you take a pencil and roll the newspaper tightly around the pencil. Then use glue to seal the edges and put it in your can. Once you've filled the can, you can use glue to keep the paper together inside the can until it looks like a bunch of tubes, kind of like a honeycomb. After that, you're finished. This craft is specifically for carpenter and mason bees. These bees are native to Indiana and have many good positive impacts on our local environment. These insects are solitary bees, meaning they only live in small groups or families. By providing shelter, we are helping them find shelter amidst much of the habitat loss that has been affecting many native species. For you gardeners out there, these bees are both pollinators and carnivores, meaning they help in two ways. They pollinate your plants, which is good for propagation and growth, and they are natural pest control, meaning that they eat bugs that might harm or weaken your crops. Every little insect has an effect on our environment, and just like these insects, we can also help our environment in our own little ways.